So I'm backing up his driveway, and welcome to Simply Living 770. I'm backing up his driveway here, and we're about to turn this thing around and work on this boat. And I just pulled the driveway, cut it real hard, and freaking snapped it off. Like, I haven't driven his truck in forever, and all of a sudden, like, he's like, yeah, man, just roll up the driveway, turn around, back the truck in the garage down here. So we know the tools won't be wet because it's obviously raining. And like, I pulled up the driveway and I just started turning real sharp to pull this way so I can back up and go this way. And I felt the whole truck just slam to the ground, and I'm like, no freaking way, dude. Like, wow. Like, oh my God. And now he's stuck in the middle of the road. It obviously can't go anywhere. Dude, I am so sorry.
Hey, what a vlog, huh? It's not you, it's a ball joint. Like, you can't help that.
I know, but how often do I drive your truck? And the one time I'm in it for 5.5 seconds, I break some shit. Note to self, don't ever drive a truck again. Well, you went to O'Reilly, got what you needed.
Now I get to play the window thanks to you for listening.
I know, I mean, I would do it if I knew how to do it. I feel like shit, though. I really do. I hate that shit. I mean, that's just not a sight you want to see at all. Come down here to work on a boat. Yeah, see, obviously that's where that's supposed to be. And it's not. Okie dokie.
Popped the hole in the dang. No, it didn't. I thought that was my washer fluid running out for a second.
Oh, damn, I ain't think of that. You want to go grab that jack stand?
Yeah.
Well, you got it. Just happened to make a call, right?
Just in the nick of time.
Yeah. He got it. He got a call like when he was halfway through, and he's like, yeah, I'll be there in like an hour. And it's been about 30 minutes, so I think we're going to make it. But I can't freaking believe that shit. I can't believe it. But it could have been a lot worse. It could have happened going down the road. You know, it could have been happening going down this driveway and end up down over this cliff, because that's a steep hill. It could have happened in a million ways. I hate that it was me driving, because that sucks. But, I mean, what are you going to do? Anyway. He's got to go make this call, and then we're going to get some grub, and then maybe we'll get some boat footage. I don't know. What do you think? Think we'll get some boat footage today at some point?
At this point, I'm feeling like that's going to happen tomorrow, but
yeah, probably.
24 hours.
Yeah, that's true.
They said you're welcome to come get stranded in our lake whenever you want.
Yeah, for me, it's probably going to be tomorrow evening after work, but we'll see. So far. Yeah. How far we got to go?
It's probably like 20 minutes.
Okay, not too bad, but...
So there's oil in here, and this shaft coming out, this is the shifter. This is what changes it from forward to neutral to reverse. But there's a seal right there, and you can see when I pull this up, see how much oil's coming out of there?
Oh, yeah.
Like, you can see the seal's not even there on half of it if you
yeah.
look real close. Like, this side has the seal, but that side don't.
Mm-hmm.
So that's where all that oil was coming
I
from.
see, yeah.
So I need to go 1, 2, 3.
It's like 8.5.
8.5.
So that actually matters pretty good about how far it goes down in there.
Yeah, because it'll
Your
change
your shifter will be different. Yeah.
Yeah, and it won't. You can't even mount this up if it's not close enough.
Right. That makes sense. Whenever you gotta turn your boat around and it's facing forward. Troy Built's got your back.
That's the recipe.
I'm curious to see how this goes. You have done this before?
Yeah, but I'll probably need you to like keep a hand back there or something to throw down.
You got a block? I mean, there's this, I don't know. Say it's working pretty well. I'll be honest with you, I didn't think that lawnmower had it in it. It's moving that thing around pretty good. I mean, yeah, I'm impressed actually. I thought it would struggle a little more. I guess it's just geared super low.
I'm in first gear with so great.
That is like pretty freaking nifty.
Like versus us picking that shit up and scooting it all around and throwing the wood down.
It only cost you one garden hose tray.
I was so proud.
Your outdrive straight just said crunch, and I was like, oh god.
At least I didn't hit the house.
Yeah, because I thought you did. I really did. No, but that's
Cost you one garden hose tray.
no, but that's pretty nifty there.
Alright, well, since I think I'm gonna get it with the truck next time, I guess I'll get it off here.
What is going on? So it's the next day, and we were here till like 3 o'clock in the morning trying to get this boat fixed and all that stuff. We're gonna see how it goes, because one of the whole issues of this whole thing was that hose that kept busting. I've made like 2 videos of this hose busting at this point, and that's caused a lot of other issues, which he finally fixed those issues that this particular issue caused, and now he's finally got why, you know, this hose keeps busting. And I'm gonna let him explain that a little bit more, because I'm not a mechanic and I'm not gonna pretend I am. But so yeah, I'm here and we're gonna go throw a couple things. I went and got the wakeboard and stuff just in case everything goes perfectly, and we're gonna see how today goes. So yeah, let's find out. Woo! smile for the camera. Scotty finally got his boat working really good. It'll slide real pretty. There it might be. Over here, we made it. Oh my god, dude. Holy shit, fucking dude. Woo! I mean, like, this is crazy. Like, that's like a rig. Like, I don't even know if you'll be able to see that. I can barely see it, and I'm showing to you in a GoPro. Like, that's land. And, like, if you can see the oil rig, the land's, like, probably 8 miles past that rig.